Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Sohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to connect submersible motor water pump wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Submersible pump, wire connectors, capacitors, overload switch, magnetic contactor, indicator, switch, double pole MCB circuit breaker, neutral connection to MCB circuit breaker, phase connection to MCB circuit breaker, neutral connection from MCB circuit breaker to connect magnetic contactor another point and connect indicator, phase connection from MCB circuit breaker to connect magnetic contactor and again connect switch. Phase connection output from switch to connect magnetic contactor, phase connection from magnetic contactor to indicator, neutral connection from magnetic contactor to overload, phase connection from magnetic contactor to connect capacitor, negative connection from overload to connect wire connector and connect submersible pump, positive connection from capacitor to connect submersible pump, capacitor connection to wire connector and then submersible pump, earthing connection connect to wire connector and then submersible pump. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.